Have you ever wondered why that wobbly shelf you built yourself feels more precious than the expensive one you bought pre-assembled? Or why people treasure their handmade cakes, even if they taste just average? This strange but powerful phenomenon is called the IKEA Effect. And today, we'll uncover why our brain values things more when we put effort into them, and how you can use this secret in your daily life to improve relationships, learning, and even business. Stay with me till the end, because once you understand this effect, you'll start seeing it everywhere. For example, in 2011, researchers from Harvard, Yale, and Duke conducted a fascinating experiment. They asked people to build IKEA furniture, fold origami, or assemble Lego creations. The twist: when asked to put a value on these items, people placed a much higher price on the things they built themselves, even if they weren't perfect. Meanwhile, outsiders saw those same items as ordinary or even sloppy. This discovery became famous as the IKEA Effect. It proves that the moment we invest effort, our brain attaches extra value to the outcome, sometimes much more than its real worth. The psychology behind it. So, why does this happen? Let's break it down. 1. Effort justification. Our brain hates the idea of wasted effort. If we work hard on something, we convince ourselves it must be valuable. 2. Sense of ownership. Building or creating gives us a sense of, I made this. Ownership increases emotional attachment. 3. Competence boost. Completing a task makes us feel capable and skillful. Even if the result isn't perfect, the feeling of achievement is powerful. 4. Identity connection. What we create becomes part of our identity. That's why a DIY table, a handwritten letter, or even your own business feels so personal. This isn't just about furniture. The IKEA effect applies to almost everything in life, from work projects to relationships. Real-life application. Now here's where it gets exciting. The IKEA effect doesn't just explain why we love our messy crafts. It can actually help us in powerful ways. Check mark in learning. Students who actively work on problems remember better than those who passively read solutions. Check mark in parenting. Kids value toys or food more if they participate in making them. Check mark in relationships. Doing activities together, cooking, building, creating, strengthens bonds. Check mark in business. Companies use this effect all the time. Think about, build your own pizza, customizable sneakers, or apps where you design your own character. Customers value the product more because they had a hand in making it. Even video games thrive on this effect. From Minecraft to The Sims, people spend hours building virtual worlds because effort increases attachment. The dark side. So, the next time you proudly admire your crooked bookshelf, remember, it's not about perfection. It's about effort. The IKEA effect shows us that when we invest ourselves, in learning, in relationships, in work, we naturally love the outcome more. Here's the key takeaway. Right finger, don't be afraid of effort. The more you put into something, the more it becomes a part of you. And when you recognize the IKEA effect in your life, you'll understand why effort is the hidden ingredient that turns ordinary things into treasures. So tell me, what's something you built or created that you're secretly proud of, even if it isn't perfect? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. If you enjoyed this deep dive into psychology, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the human mind. Until next time, keep building, and keep valuing your effort.